An Abilene hair salon is teaming up with the Salvation Army to help tornado victims, and you can help just by coming out for a haircut. Here with us now is our good friend Shelly Futrell and Dominique Quinones. Thank you for joining us today. So you're with a Parlor Salon on South 20th and South Street, correct?
Yes.
All right. So Shelly, tell us how this kind of collaboration came together.
Well, you know, we've done stuff in the past, we've done kind of a street fair and some different things, but she always comes up with some good ideas, and so this time she came up with the idea to do haircuts to benefit the Salvation Army. Even now, I guess for the last, 4 or 5 years, she's been cutting the guys.
8 years.
8 years. Yes. The guys in our program at the Salvation Army, she cuts their hair so they can feel good about themselves, etc. So she came up with this idea to do this, and we just picked it up and ran with it. I think it's wonderful.
And so tell us how this is going to work on Sunday. Will it be at the salon or at the Sally?
So it's going to be at the gym at the Salvation Army, 1733 Poplar. Anybody in the public is welcome to come out. We'll be doing haircuts. There's about 10 stylists who will be available from different salons in the area. They've partnered with me. We're going to be doing men's cuts for $15, kids cuts for $12, and then women's cuts for $20. All the money is going to go straight to the disaster relief at the Salvation Army.
And let's talk about that, Shelly. You've been so busy. I don't even know if you've slept since last Saturday.
A little bit. About
so what
2
about
minutes.
this money? I mean, what are you guys using this for?
Well, you know, so far we've given thousands of meals out. We actually counted bottles of water that we've given out, close to 3,000 bottles of water. That's a lot of water. So it's to make sure we have more supplies and that we can get them out to the community that needs it. And right now what we're working on is we're still sheltering folks from that. We have folks in our shelter from that, but we're also doing it where they can come in and get furniture and linens, clothing, etc. to restock their houses. That's a big thing.
And so for people who maybe have already gotten a haircut this week or just want to come out and donate or even bring items, what items are you still looking for, Shelly?
You know, right now we're into the blanket, pillow phase. We're looking for towels, baby wipes, those kinds of things, cleaning supplies for their households, easy to make foods, those kinds of things.
And tell us on Sunday what time you're going to start doing these haircuts and until when?
It'll be 2 to 6, 2 to 6 on Sunday.
All right. And I guess, you know, this has been a crazy week for all of us, really,
Right.
but what has it been like for you to see the community to come together and businesses like the Parlor want to help out for these victims?
You know, it's amazing. As we sat out there and I got a little burnout there the first day, it was 90-something degrees out there, and one of the little neighbors we were helping actually drug an awning out and put it over us so we could have shade. So here we are serving them, but they're serving us too, and I think that's what this community is about. Is in all actuality, we thought we were serving them, but the city of Abilene stepped up and helped everybody else and helped us too. So it's just wonderful to see that, and I think of it in this case, here's a shop owner stepping in, feeling that need to step in and doing for the Salvation Army and for the people that we're serving.
All right. Well, we appreciate y'all coming on, appreciate the work you're doing and that you will be doing on Sunday. So if you want to come out and get a haircut or just come out to donate, to go to the Salvation Army Community Center, it's at the gym at 1733 Poplar. This Sunday, May 26th, from 2 to 6 p.m., women's cuts are $20 and men's are $15. 100% of the proceeds will go to the Salvation Army.